It's freaking crazy how Hollywood is always leaving clues. This random 2004 kids movie literally predicted the entire Luigi Mangione saga in a 12-second clip. Watch this very carefully.
Denied? You're denying my claim? Oh, I don't understand. I have full coverage.
I'm sorry, Mrs. Hoganson, but our liability is spelled out in paragraph 17. It states clearly.
I pay for this.
All right, listen closely. I'd like to help you, but I can't. I'd like to tell you to take a copy of your policy to Norma Wilcox, W-I-L-C-O-X, on the 3rd floor, but I can't. You saying we shouldn't help our customers?
The law requires that I answer no.
We're supposed to help people.
We're supposed to help our people! Starting with our stockholders, Bob! Who's helping them out, huh?
Now, you'd be straight up lying if you told me that's not exactly what this doctor was saying.
How is that a problem that you figured out how people are healing? If you figure out a way to help people heal and you can't charge them for it, well, then you've just worked yourself out of a job.
This doctor built a billion-dollar platform trying to show people natural ways to live longer, healthier lives, just so he could get put behind bars 11 days after this YouTube video was released. They are doing everything possible to scrub it from the internet, so watch carefully.
When you're born, when you're 20, when you're 50, when you're 100, you have the same exact genome. Your software doesn't change. So why do you look different at 80 or 100? Why don't you have the six-pack you had when you were 18? It's not the software you're running. It's what genes are on and what genes are off. It's your epigenome. The control of what genes should be on and which genes should be off is driven by these seven sirtuins, and they are powered by something called NAD+. If they don't have enough NAD, and the NAD in your cells drops by over 50% as you age.
Yeah.
And so when David and others talk about NR as a supplement, that is the precursor to NAD.
Yeah, so you can't really take the NAD orally. I guess you can do it injectably.
You want a precursor like NR that crosses the cell surface and gets converted to NAD.
The only issue with NAD is that most people try to get them as injections, but that can be crazy expensive. And if you do try to take it orally, you need to find one that's liposomal with resveratrol. Otherwise, it's garbage and you should just throw it away. I take this one from Rios Research because it has liposomal nitinamide riboside plus resveratrol. Over 250,000 people have bought it over the last few months. Here are some of the reviews saying things like, I've been on this for 6 months, I have more energy, I've been doing this for 2 years. A warning for you though, because this product went crazy viral overnight, there are tons of fakes on the market today. I don't know if you can see this, but this is literally drop shipped straight from China. This is not the thing you want to be taking. Just to make sure you get the right one, which says Rios Research on it and liposomal, I've gone ahead and linked it for you in the bottom of this video. You don't even have to buy it from there, but make sure that you're getting the right one. If you see the orange button, go ahead and click it while you still can, because that means that they still have some in stock.